The days of settling for overpriced and non-protective coatings are over. Icon Rocklear is the gold standard for automotive, marine, and industrial paint protection. Our next generation coating is an affordable and long-lasting solution that combines the deep shine and hydrophobic properties of traditional coatings with a superior protection against scratches, road debris, harsh environmental exposure, and impact resistance. Common scratches, easily fixed with a simple paint correction or a single panel reapplication. Icon Rocklear fills swirls and paint imperfections with just one layer, restoring older paint finishes to a better than OEM appearance. More chemical and abrasion resistant than any other protective product. Icon Rocklear delivers even more gloss than the best ceramic coatings without requiring costly annual inspections just to maintain warranty coverage. Up to 35 times thicker and 75 times stronger than even the most advanced nano coatings. Icon Rocklear is the strongest and most durable paint coating available on the market today. If you want serious paint protection for your daily driver, performance vehicle, off-road toys, watercraft, RVs, trailers, or industrial equipment, or if you're ready to join the Icon Rocklear family of certified installers, join the Icon Rocklear Revolution today by visiting iconrocklear.com.